How to take screenshots on Android device. Hi everyone, welcome to the channel. This is Rose and without further ado, let's get right into the video. Taking a screenshot on an Android device is a straightforward method. The steps may vary slightly depending on the Android version and manufacturer of your phone, but here are the common methods. First, you can easily use the buttons. So it's the most common way to take screenshots. You can go to the screen you want to capture and press and hold the power button and the volume down button at the same time. You can easily release both the button after a seconds or when you see the screenshots flash. The screenshot will be saved in your phone's gallery under the screenshots folder. If supported, you can even use the gesture control. Some phones support gesture-based screenshot, that is three-finger swipe or simply palm swipe and partial swipe as well. So for that, you can easily swipe down on the screen with three fingers. Also, to enable this gesture, you can go ahead and open settings, tap on additional settings and look for screenshots. Tap on it and here are different screenshots ways, that is three finger swipe down, three finger touch and hold, power and volume down buttons. So you can have the tutorial as well. So let's try three finger touch and hold. You can easily tap your three fingers and hold on your screen and you can take a partial or scrolling screenshots. Now you can easily trace the region you want to capture. You can tap rectangle or ellipse or freeform as well. So let's trace the area. And as you can see that we have already taken the screenshot, you can tap the check mark at top right corner of the screen and then take a screenshots in this particular way as well. You can even use Google Assistant by saying, "Hey Google, take a screenshot." The assistant will capture the screen for you. The screenshot will be saved automatically. If you are new to our channel, hit the like button and subscribe. Thank you for watching and I'll see you in the next video.